Easy classroom questions. This video is for beginning students of English as a second language. Greetings. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Name, please. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Robert Chun. My name is Robert Chun. What's your name? What's your name? My name's Linda. My name's Linda. I am Sheila. I am Sheila. I'm Joshua. I'm Joshua. You can call me Josh. You can call me Josh. For more about names, see the link below. Objects. What is it? What is it? It is a pen. It is a pen. What's this? It's a notebook. It's a notebook. What is it? What is it? This is an apple. This is an apple. What is that? What is that? That is a pencil. That is a pencil. What's that? What's that? It's a phone. It's a phone. Say it. How do you say it in English? How do you say it in English? Chair. Chair. Write it down. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. For more classroom items, see the link below. I have a question. I have a question. What? I don't understand. I don't understand. What does this mean? What does this mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Explaining. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay. Okay. Let me explain. Let me explain. Thanks. Thanks. Uh-oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay. That's okay. Thank you. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. My pleasure. My pleasure. Keep practicing. This video is for beginning students of English as a second language. Please check out our channel for other videos for intermediate and advanced levels. YouTube.com at English free for you. Don't forget to click on the links below for more related videos. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this and check out our websites, ESLgold.com, EnglishVideO.com, and Siri.net.